Hey guys, it has been a while and I am sorry for the low production value on this video, but I've been scared to make YouTube videos for a while, and this time it doesn't matter that my hair's a little bit outgrowing my shirts. No, literally nobody cares. I'm making this video, and so for the last week, literally it's only like week 1 in the class, I've been doing, I can't remember the title of the class, but it's at Brainstorm and it's with Sinix and it's about some kind of abstract design processes. I'll have the title here. Ding! Okay. But more importantly, I'm going to show some of the homework that we've been doing. And in total, I'm going to hide that. In total, I submitted 59 images for this homework assignment. So going by the first image, it's like, are you joking? Are you actually trying? And yes, I was actually trying, because the assignment for week 1 was to just automatic draw and just to let go. And what am I doing? I'm letting go and I'm posting it, and you know, everyone else, all like 50 people in the class could see me do this literal scribble, and you know, once my worst work is out there, I can feel better and more confident to do more. And so that's my second one. Equally as bad. Actually, it's a little bit better due to a little bit more rhythm. But as we go through, you can see that I've been posting scribbles publicly in the homework chat of this class, and yes. So let's keep going through for a while, and I think when I did this image, I realized, okay, I'm starting to get somewhere in terms of making or communicating an idea. So here we have some kind of a swoopy shape I'm going to draw just in case you cannot see. And so when I did this image, it's obvious, like, okay, I want my focal point here, and then we have a bunch of lines pointing to it. Great, cool. But was this really automatic drawing for me? Did I really feel just, whoa, let's have this middle part here, just draw these lines and slowly radiate out? And the answer to that is no, not really. When I made this image, I was very intentionally thinking, okay, here is where I want everyone to look, and I'm just going to draw a bunch of lines pointing there, which is okay, but then it was a little too conscious for me, and I think if the point is to let go, I need to let go. And so after this image, I definitely tried to let go a little more. This is still letting go, but still like hanging on a bit, I feel. And then this one, okay, I drew a face and just tried to let go around it. Maybe that's not the actual assignment. Here I'm letting go. This is a crazy sketch, but I'm glad for myself that I let go. And so you can see I've moved to charcoal on paper, and I'm letting go, except I feel that when I'm doing these types of image, I'm not communicating as much as I could have. What's this next image? Let me see it. Oh, marker sketch. We started changing the markers. Changing the tool that I was using. Here I'm letting go back on the computer. Here I'm also letting go, and I think that although the images were more sketchy, I was more content with them, and for me that's better. And as time passes, even my sketchier ones I felt like started to get better. Yeah. So let's keep looking at this. Oh, here I started experimenting with Valley. We're up to image 28 now, or 50, or 59, or whatever. What was it? Yeah, 59. Yeah, I remember when I posted this one, people in the class were like, hey, this is cool, man, but this kind of hurts my eyes. Yeah, thanks guys, no worries. And then I was talking to a person in my class, Ava. Ava's like, what are you doing? And like, are you like even trying? And you know, hey guys, I'm trying as I'm doing this homework. Leave me alone, please, please. I think when Ava saw this one, she was like, nice drawing, as a joke, cause hey, chill out, okay? So, okay, so I was like, okay, you want me to chill out, Ava? I'll copy you and do what you're doing. And they were, she was drawing a bunch of figures from imagination, and I drew a bunch of figures. I was like, okay, I'll draw some figures and let go. And I have a very representational image where I feel like I let go. That's a nun being strangled by someone with horns. Anyway, let's keep going. What else do we have here? I kind of like this one. Yeah, this one was fun. This one, it's still fun. I'm letting go. I'm letting go. And at this point I realized that, so in the previous image I have the pen opacity / pen thickness enabled, and then I turned it off for the next ones because I felt that if I turn off all the pen stylization options with pressure, then it allows me to focus more on shape as there's less things to think about. I kind of like that. Yep, that was the motorcycle just drove by. That's okay. Oh, this one was pretty cool. This is probably the best one I have. Sinix did give me a critique for this one. He said that a little too much, whoops, where's my, I can just draw on this layer. Oh my gosh. He was saying I have a little too much noise out here that's detracting the viewer from the focal points here, kind of meandering over this side. But yeah, I like this one because there is a main focal point here and there is also a sub focal point, and I think images that I was doing previously, okay, I'll just put a video editing like this one. It's a little too one-dimensional in that the eye doesn't flow around, but in this one it flows a little more because there is more than one point of interest. Let's keep going. So I have this one. This one, Sinix was saying, is a little too busy, and I guess that was kind of interesting in the class where instead of thinking of busy, which is the term that I literally just used, he calls it tempo, and that the speed in which one draws, and it's all very much explained in the video that he uploaded, and I feel like the whole class is going to be based around the core principles that he has in the video. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this class turns out, and maybe I will do an update video. So here we have, I keep going, I'm letting go. A single point, so I guess I didn't learn from the day before because this is 24 hours after that one, and here I started uploading my own critiques, which I think is pretty interesting. It's like, okay, I have this image, it's okay, but why isn't it as cool as it could be? Well, let's see. I was drawing 50-50 on literally everything, so I split my composition 50-50, and then after splitting the composition 50-50, I split this 50, and then I split this. Oh my gosh, previous mark. Yeah, and then I like this one. This is not bad. It's a little confusing on where the viewer should look, but then I have my own self-critique, which I think is, again, kind of nice. Yeah, let's keep going. That one, and then self-critique. And I really enjoyed this one, even though it's less traditional than the other ones, I'd say. And the reason I like this because I was drawing these, let me get this layers. I was drawing these mazes, and I remember growing up and a bunch of kids would go outside and, I don't know, collect Easter eggs or something, and I would just stay at home and draw these mazes. And you know, when I did this, I felt like, oh, nice. You finally let go. I really just like drawing these mazes, shapes, and these right angles, but I don't know how how that's going to fit in with a quote-unquote good design language, especially when, you know, the teacher Sinix is saying things like,
it should be doing its best to maintain some obvious sense of direction through a continual sense of tapering.
So we'll see. Let's keep going. Here I'm trying to play with the idea of maze, but in organics, and it's not quite there yet. This one I really enjoy. In fact, I enjoy this one so much. I'm gonna move my own face. I'm gonna move my own face so you can see it. Wow, isn't that great? Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah, good job. Yeah, this one's okay. It's cliche. And then I tried to go back to my mazes on pencil, but couldn't really figure it out. At this point, I started looking at Avatar: The Last Airbender effects. I don't know. I gave up on myself with the mazes, but I shouldn't have. I should have kept trying to keep going on those mazes, because the mazes I think were pretty cool. But we're getting to the end here, and there's only 2 more images left, so I'm going to make this a little more dramatic. I'm going to hide all the bottom layers. Is everyone ready to see the last 2 images? So there's 59 images. This is layer 58. Oh, this is this is not bad. I mean, it kind of reminds me of the Tarzan guy going through like the woods and stuff. Hey, but yeah, cool. I mean, it's a little me, but it's not as me as the mazes. But at least I feel like I can tell that Past Mark was having fun when he did this. Oh yeah. This is it's kind of nice. A little contrived in terms of like this is definitely trying to be an environment, like be a little more grounded in something rather than playing with the idea of abstract. But yeah, cool job, man. Cool. All right, I'm gonna end this recording. If this is the end of the video, then that's the end of the video, and I thank you guys for watching, but I thank myself for trying to actually do this and even uploading this, because you don't feel ready, but nobody ever feels ready. Take care, guys. I hope you have a lovely day or night wherever you're in the world, and I hope you make some awesome gains on your own art journeys. Peace.